And so the time have come to get the Ogiwon's magical garden outside. This year it happened to be on the end of April. There were some cold days during April. This is 26th of April, and the magical flowers will get outside on the terrace and do magic stuff. Okay, work. First is the jade plant. My favorite jade plant. Okay, good. Alright, I will get the smalls first. Right. This one is still alive. Yep, it have life in it. A lot of sprouts. Okay, now the aloes. Few aloes. Good plant. This aloe have grown. And there is another one. Beautiful aloe. Okay, next. Who is next? Okay, I think I have to get the big jade plant outside. Okay, I will have to clean it from old stuff. They could grow a sprout. Okay. Okay, Rose. The support is off. This plant needs support. Okay, we have support outside. This will be cut. This, this, they all can go for sprouts. Alright, my beautiful jade plant is outside to get some fresh air. Uh, it will need that. Alright. More onwards. Oh, this one is big. Okay. This one. And I got a vacuum cleaner. After this, I will have to begin with the spring cleaning. Spring cleaning. Okay, first plants. Looks cool. And one more of these. This one can fail a little. This thing will go out. And finally, the big plant, the yucca. Awesome. Now, I will need the broom and clean this up. This mission is complete. But Ogi out.